Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to let you guys know how you can take our Amazon FBA Canada course for free. This is a massive course that I created and put a lot of time and effort into filming the lectures. I did it in a way that really breaks down the whole process, how to get started with Amazon FBA in Canada, and I'm really proud of this course. So I want to give it to you guys for free, and it's going to be through a website called Skillshare. So I'm here on our Skillshare dashboard right now, and you can see this is the Amazon FBA Canada course, and I've got a whole bunch of different videos, tutorials, and lectures in this one Amazon FBA Canada course. And that's what you guys are going to get for free. So when you sign up, it's going to look something like this. It's going to say, start watching Jewel Tolentino and Arit Esselyn's class on Skillshare. And this is the course right here, Amazon FBA Canada, your complete Canadian guide to profits. So you do need to create a Skillshare account, and to do that, you basically click on this button right here, sign up to take this class, and you guys will be getting 2 months free of our entire Amazon FBA course, as well as all of our other courses that we have on Skillshare. So you'll be able to take this course, our other courses, and there are thousands of other courses by other instructors here on Skillshare as well. Another bonus to being part of this course specifically is that I'm going to be adding new exclusive Amazon FBA Canada content to this course. So I'm going to be adding exclusive scannings when I go into the stores like Walmart and Winners and Canadian Tire and any other stores that I haven't gone through already. I'll be doing more online arbitrage videos, so when I'm doing scanning, it's kind of like you're scanning online, but you have everything on the computer, and I have like my phone app with me. I'm going to be doing more of those videos, and I'll be sharing specific items that worked really well for me. Now, the whole reason why we're doing this is to grow our Skillshare, and I want to be able to upload Amazon FBA content whenever I want. The way that our channel is structured, I'm only able to upload this kind of content on Mondays, and I do like to mix it up. So this will allow me to upload whatever and whenever I want about Amazon FBA Canada. And don't get me wrong, I'll still be doing the free stuff here on this channel. So if you guys want more of this kind of content, you guys can head down to the description below and check out our Skillshare course, Amazon FBA Canada, your complete guide to profits. Stay tuned because I'll be uploading new exclusive content to our Skillshare next week. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.